wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, honorable guests, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this golden opportunity to speak somewhat on the topic of introduce myself, and also I wish you all a very Independence Day. Dear audience, my name is Mohammad Ayan. I am 12 years old. I live in a Pura Maruf Kurti Jafarpur. It says, my father's name is Mohammad. He is a businessman. My mother's name is Nushla Khatun. She is a housewife. I study in class 5 in Madrasa Sirajul Ulum and also learn English MEF coaching center. English is my favorite subject. My favorite food is chicken biryani. My favorite color is white. The hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. That's all about me. Thank you.